Hi, it's Vincent Curie. For those who just got the PE900, or maybe you're thinking of getting it, I'm going to show you a few things. I'm going to make these quick because I got to make shorter videos. All right. One of the things I want to show is the bobbin area. One of the things you have to keep in mind, particularly if you use the machine every day, maybe once a week, you remove this plate. The plate has tab, and a tab, right? Now it lays in a groove, and you lay it in so it's towards you. So when you lay it down, there's a space here, and then you push it towards the back, and it'll click. Okay? That's it. That's all you got to do. All right. Now I'm going to take it out. Here. You put your finger here, the plastic, and here, and you do it towards you. And that'll come up out of there. All right, put it to the side. Now you could reach in there. The bobbin case. The bobbin case has two dots that have to be aligned. They're white. All right. There's one here, and there's one right on the bobbin case. And when the bobbin case is in properly, it'll have a little wiggle like this. It'll be flush, and it'll have a little wiggle. All right, take the bobbin out. Just reach in here with your finger and thumb, and just lift it up like that. All right, so then you can clean this area out. If you got compressed air, a little, they sell it in everywhere they sell compressed air cans. Now to put this back, you align this white dot with that white dot, and you put the back of it down first. Okay? Now, it's going to sort of hang up, and what it wants the back portion of this to be lifted up. That's really what it wants. So you could do it with your finger, actually. Your finger and your thumb, and think that I want to lift the back up. And then when it goes down, it's flush. I say flush, it's down in the circumference of the where the hook is, and that rattles like that. So now you put this back. Put this back down in the groove. You line up the back, drop it down, and then push it. Push it towards the back. Now I'm going to get another bobbin, and I use the pre-wound from Polystar. So 144 in a box. I get them from my dealer, Mr. Vac and Mr. So. Okay, and I'm going to put a new one in, and they go in so when you pull the tab, they rotate counterclockwise. Now, there's a little little thumb deal that you push towards the right, and the little door opens up. Put it there. Now you hold the tail, you drop the bobbin down, and then right here, there's a little plastic with a little arrow. The thread goes under that. All right? And then over here, there's a groove that goes around like this. And the thread drops into the groove. You pull it, and you see that it rotates counterclockwise. And then right here is a cutter. It cuts the thread off. And you put the little door back, and that's all you have to do to get the bobbin ready to sew. Okay? I've been Security. Thank you for watching.